Good day, judges, faculty, and scholars. I am Chesney. I'm from the U.S. Virgin Islands, and I was a co-researcher for this team.
My name is Brendan Hansen. I was the project manager for the Vinci Auto Electric Group, and I'm from San Diego, California.
Hello, my name is Brian Pham. I was a co-researcher for this project, and I am from around Palm Springs.
I am Dree Roberts. I am from Northern California, and I was the note taker.
I'm Rowan White from Seattle, Washington, and I helped with the presentation.
I'm Priscilla Campbell from Southern California, and I also helped on the presentation.
And we are the Vinci team of automotive electrical repair. This week, we had the pleasure to work with Mohammed Ahmed. He is a business owner in Nigeria. He owns a electrical car repair garage. He has 3 problems, and we came up for solutions for all 3 of them. First, he needs a way to figure out the problems with the ECU in cars. Second, he doesn't have a logo or name for his business, so we came up with one of those. And third, he doesn't keep any records of anything, so we came up with an efficient plan for him to keep records of repair time, repair costs, and a way to pay his employees.
All right, so when you go to a car repair shop, you're usually going in for one big thing, and that's your check engine light. That happens because the brain box, or the electronic control unit in it, will get a message from the sensors in the car knowing something's wrong, and it'll turn on that light for you. And when you take it to a shop, either you have to guess and kind of look around and make sure, and try and find out where it is, or if you have one of these code readers, you can go and simply plug it in under the dash, and it'll diagnose what the problem is, so that you can effectively solve this problem and fix it in a very time-efficient way.
Another issue that we realized while we were discussing with Mohammed was that he didn't keep a written system of financial records. So we implemented a simple and efficient way, and it's by using a spreadsheet, which is essentially you would use as with rows and columns to manage, calculate, and label your items. So Mohammed could use this to label his customers' orders, as well as keep records and calculating his payments for his employees.
Okay, as we mentioned before, Mohammed did not have a logo or a name for his business, and we thought that was a big issue because he could use it for advertising. He could put it on flyers and t-shirts and stickers. So working with him through email, we sent him a few possible names. He chose MA's Auto Electronical Repair, and he chose this logo that he likes.
Mohammed is not the only auto electrical repairman in his field, but he stands out in 2 important ways. The first being his skill. He's very good with many different types of cars, and he has the knowledge to know how to fix them. And the second being his passion. He wants to expand his enterprise and open many more stores throughout the Bauchi state of Nigeria. And we believe that having the logo for advertising and a Facebook page can help him with that, because his competitors do not have the social media aspect of marketing. So this would help him have a leg up, so to say, over the competition.
In conclusion, our team, the Vinci Auto Electric Repair team, have tackled all 3 of Mohammed Ahmed's problems. First, we have found an ECU code reader to help him diagnose problems easily and efficiently. Second, we have made him a logo to help him stand out from all the other competition who do not have a logo or a name. And third, we have made him an organized spreadsheet to organize all his finance and managing records. On behalf of my team, I would like to thank you all for coming and watching us today.
Wonderful presentation. I have to appreciate the fact that the conclusion way of your presentation amazes me a lot, because you summarize everything they said in just few words. That is very, very interesting.
You guys did a good job of addressing 3 different problems that were facing your business owner. You also did a good job of keeping it together when things were happening behind you that you couldn't see, and the audience was reacting to them. That's a really difficult circumstance in which to kind of remember what you're saying. So you did a really good job with that, which is frankly harder than just talking when nobody's distracting you. So that was really good. You know, helping him with a very specific issue, and you articulated it very, very nicely on the way in which you operate without a brain box, and then you know how it would you know, measurably change the way that you do business. I also like that you actually created a spreadsheet that he could use, that you can teach him how to use. Here it is. You can start using it tomorrow to help organize his process. So that's great.
I really liked your logo. I really liked the overall flow of the presentation. I'm curious though, you created a spreadsheet for him to use. Does he have a computer on which to run this?
Yes.
Does he have access to the internet?
He does?
Yes.
Okay.
As well
He
as
also
the
has access to the internet?
He
As
can
well
print
as
out the spreadsheet and then fill it out with pencil and paper.
Okay, so he at least has some way to have access to that. Okay, that wasn't mentioned. I wasn't really clear on that, but I'm glad I asked then. So that would make sense. Good job.
Thank you.
Join the Global Young Innovators Initiative. Transform the world. www.icantransformtheworld.org